Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be creating this makeup look here. So it's basically a reverse smoky eye and I paired it with a red lip. Some of you might think a red lip is maybe a wee bit too much. You're probably right, but I'm a wee bit extra. But I cannot take any credit whatsoever for this makeup tutorial because it is inspired by somebody. I will show her Instagram and her name is Belle Jorden. And she also has a YouTube channel as well. So I was actually came across this tutorial that she done so long ago actually, and I have been dying to create it. So if you're gonna guys see how I done it, then just keep on watching, although I don't think I done as good a job as she did. So for this makeup look I'm going to be using these two palettes here. So the first one I'm going to be taking is the NYX Fire Palette, and I'm just going to be taking this shade here. I'm just going to place in this red colour in the hollows of your eyes, just in this section here, and I'm not going to take it out this far because we're obviously going to do a reverse smoky eye. All your darkness is in here and then buffed out to the edges. I prefer to start to pack on the colour first, and then after I'm just going to go and blend that out. And to blend that out, I'm going to go in with the Masquerade mini palette, and I'm going to go into this shade here, and I'm going to be taking that on a Luxe pencil brush by Zoeva. You kind of have to be quite careful with your blending because you really don't want to start blending like this. You kind of want to blend in quite small sections. So I'm just going to start buffing out the edges really gently, barely touching my skin. So I'm now just going to go back into that NYX eyeshadow palette, and I'm just now going to start kind of repeating the process. Obviously I'm just going to keep on packing on that red shade, and then I just keep on going back in and blending it. So I just kind of big mess of hair. So I just kind of like cleaned my brush off as best as I could there. So I'm now going to start to drag the pink shade just out. So I'm just now going to kind of blow the shadow out to the edges. You kind of want to do this process just like really circular motions. I'm going to go and cut the crease. I'm going to use my Kat Von D concealer, and I'm just going to take a couple of swatches of that just in the back of my hand. This is in the shade L1 Neutral. I'm guessing L1 stands for light. Then I'm just going to grab a wee brush, just any brush that was closest to me, and I'm just going to kind of like pat that wee bit, because with the concealer it is quite wet as such. So I want it to be tacky but not as wet. So I'm just kind of using that wee brush to just get the excess product off. This is just like a wee glitter. It's more like a powder glitter, to be honest. It's like a baby pink, but it also has like holographic glitter through it. Because my eyes are still quite tacky, this is going to stick really well. So I haven't actually finished this eye just yet because I'm wanting to do a glitter wing, and as you can see I haven't got the glitter on it yet. I'm just going to do that on camera whenever I'm doing this side here. So whenever I am doing a wing, I kind of like to go between the NYX matte liner, which I just used there now, and then the Kat Von D tattoo liner, because with the NYX matte liner it's a brush tip. I prefer like an actual nib to create a wing, not a brush tip. So I will use this to create my line basically as a base, and then I will go with the Kat Von D and I will use this to just create my wing. For the glitter that I'm going to put over my liner, this is the Helen É glitter. To apply that, I'm going to use the Helen É Cosmetics Clear Shine Fixing Gel, and I just put like a wee bit just on the back of my hand. I'm going to use a flat brush to apply that. Then I'm going to use the other side to apply the glitter. It has actually been so long since I have done glitter on my channel. Do you know what? That's actually taken far too long, so I'm just going to use the wee, like, it's kind of like a lip gloss applicator. So I'm actually just going to use that to apply it instead. It'll be quicker. I don't actually know what it is, but I find it really satisfying applying glitter. Like, just like seeing the glitteriness. And then my favourite mascara at the minute, this is the Chanel La Di Da. Le Volume de Chanel. So what I love about this mascara is actually the wands, and I also love how this makes my lower lashes look. I was wearing this the other day and somebody over Snapchat had asked me if I was wearing false lashes on my lower lash line. And I was like, no, this is what a new mascara can do. Obviously by looking at it, this is only the wee sample, like free sample travel size. So now to get started on my face makeup, I've just moisturised off camera and I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild every time. This is the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation. I always do this whenever it's this. That smells funny. I actually think I've used this in a video before, but I mean like once, and it was ages ago, and I honestly cannot remember what I thought of it. So it's kind of like another first impressions. Okay, so I was like, as I'm blending it in, I'm kind of noticing that it's sitting funny. So I completely forgot that I was filming. I was just carrying on ahead with my makeup routine. So for concealer, I am using the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer. This is in the shade L1 Neutral. This is the concealer that I done my cut crease with. Okay, so kind of what I'm guessing about this foundation, as I was saying there, I think I've used it before because I have two shades, and this is a shade that I haven't used before because this is the lightest shade I own of it. I like cake face. If you're new to my channel, you might not know that, and if you've been here a while, you know I like cake face. But I think there's a fine line between looking cakey and looking like downright cake batter, like, and that's literally what I think my face looks like right now. Like, my face feels like I have cement on it. So yeah, I'm not too sure with that foundation, so I'm just going to add some flour to the cake batter. So I'm just going to use this Kodak Airspun Powder to just set all that. Oh, this actually feels horrible. What? I literally just rubbed my face with that brush. This is how cakey my face is right now. I think I might zoom these in a bit more so you can see my mess in the background. So, oh, Oh my god, it literally just sounded as if I broke my voice and I've entered puberty. So for highlighter, I'm either going to go for MAC Whisper of Guilt or Becca Opal highlighter. These two highlighters I've never actually used before, although in saying that, I think I'm kind of wondering, am I a wee bit too pale today for these highlighters? Because hopefully I'm not. I'm actually just going to try the MAC one first, just to see. Do you know, I'm probably wearing that much face makeup that it's not even going to show up. Yeah, I'm just going to try Opal. Oh my god. The joys of being pale AF. So I'm just going to use my usual Colourpop. And I'm just going to highlight my nose, my cupid's bow, and my cheekbones. Ah, that is so much better. I can always count on this highlighter. For blusher today, I'm just going to use this wee one from BH Cosmetics. This is the Floral Blush Duo Cheek Colour. I don't know what shade this is in. Oh no, sorry, I do. This is in the shade Caribbean Coral. Oh, how exciting is it that I'm getting into blush? Then for bronzer, I'm just going to use this wee. So then for bronzer, I'm just going to use this wee Duo from Maybelline, and I'm just going to use this one here. So in case anybody's wondering, I haven't finished my eyes by the way, because I know they look extremely weird, especially here, because it kind of looks as if they just stop. So then to finish off the eye makeup, I'm just going to go into the NYX Fire Palette again, and I'm just going to go into this red shade again, like I'd done the very first time. So then again, keeping all the colour built up just on this area here. So what I'm kind of wanting to do is I'm just tapping it on first. I sometimes always forget to like blink. And then I'm just going to take just a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to blend that out. Don't forget to like blend up in here as well. And to finish the eyes off, I'm just going to go in with that Chanel mascara and just do my bottom lash line. Ah, I love that mascara. So I'm actually going to go for a red lip today. You can totally go for a nude. For lip liner, I'm just going to use MAC Arriba. And for liquid lipstick, I'm going to use the shade Arriba by Colourpop. So everyone, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Everything will be listed down below, and I will also list Belle's Instagram down below as well, so you can go and check her out. She is absolutely gorgeous, and if you missed it at the start, this tutorial was inspired by a makeup tutorial she also done on this makeup look, so I take no credit whatsoever for this makeup tutorial. So don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. I'd very much appreciate that. Fuck. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.